Introducing the 2021 Volkswagen Tiguan Life 2.0 TDI with 122 horsepower. This sleek white estate/Jeep is a powerhouse on the road, boasting a 2-litre engine and manual transmission. With 131,000 kilometres on the clock, this Tiguan is just getting started. Loaded with comfort and safety, features like air conditioning, cruise control, satellite navigation and multiple airbags, you'll feel secure and stylish wherever you go. Plus, with ABS, collision avoidance braking and lane departure warning, you can drive with peace of mind. This Tiguan has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible vehicle. Call us or visit mullingarautos.ie for more information today.